how do you find the missing camera assistant in camera settings on your Samsung phone. So previously you can tap on settings. In settings you should be able to find camera assistant. Now it's gone. So after the update of One UI 7, here if I go into settings and if I go down to the bottom, you can see it does not show camera assistant. Okay, so what you need to do on your phone, you need to go to Play Store and install an app called GoodLock. So here we got GoodLock and install it. Then open up GoodLock, and in GoodLock tap on plugins and scroll down. In here you'll be able to find camera assistant, so tap on the download button. Okay, once it is installed, camera assistant, then you go back to your home screen and open up the camera. Now go into settings and you should be able to find camera assistant. And that's it. Thank you for watching.